Let us see the second part, the dynamics of the atmosphere. Under the concept of dynamics of the atmosphere, the following aspects are to be understood: the atmospheric circulation, the local and seasonal winds, atmospheric humidity and condensation, fogs, their origin and types, clouds, their origin and types, precipitation and its distribution. Let us see the first part of atmospheric circulation. The movement of air in the atmosphere is known as atmospheric circulation. Atmospheric circulation denotes the motion of air due to the pressure gradient from the local to global scales. It has spatial and temporal patterns of circulation components. It involves primary circulation or long term circulation, secondary circulation, seasonal circulation and diurnal circulation. The primary circulation refers to the trade winds, westerly winds and the polar winds. The secondary circulation refers to cyclones and anticyclones. The seasonal circulation refers to the monsoons and air masses. The diurnal circulation refers to the land or sea breezes, mountain or valley breezes. Atmospheric circulation, speed and direction of winds are controlled by various factors like gravitational force, pressure gravitational force, Coriolis force and the friction force. When a wind above 600 meters height blows parallel to the isobars, it is called as geostrophic wind. Jet stream is a strong wind blowing from west to east at high altitude, usually near tropopause, that is at an altitude of 12,000 meters. It may be about 110 kilometers per hour in summer, 190 kilometers per hour in winter and also varies from place to place. Climatology hence involves the evaluation of the zonal circulation of atmosphere as global wind belts, tropical circulation which includes doldrums, westerlies and trade winds, mid latitude circulation, polar circulation, meridional circulation and jet streams, El Nina and the La Nina. Let us see the next aspect of local and seasonal winds. Wind is the circulation of air relative to the surface of the earth. Climatology hence analyzes the local and seasonal winds in detail. The periodic local winds include the breezes between land and sea and the breezes from mountains and valleys. The non-periodic local winds include the hot local winds and the cold local winds. There are some more types of local winds as beneficial local winds and non-beneficial local winds. Monsoon is a complex phenomena of the atmosphere. It comes due to thermal concept and dynamic concept. The thermal concept refers to the origin of monsoons. Monsoon refers to the annual cycle of dryness and wetness with seasonably shifting winds produced by changing atmosphere and pressure systems. The study of seasonal winds provides detailed large scale information on monsoons. Monsoon is a flow pattern of the general atmospheric circulation over a wide geographical area with a clear and dominant wind in one direction during one season and in reverse direction during the other season. Hence, climatology involves the study of monsoons, their origin, types and distribution. The seasonal characteristics of Indian monsoon are also studied under climatology. The atmospheric humidity and condensation are two more aspects to be studied. The term humidity refers to the amount of water vapor present in the parcel of air having a unit volume and temperature. Water vapor is released during the process of evaporation from the water bodies of the land and oceans. Since water vapor is a very important constituent of the atmosphere, it plays a significant role in controlling the climate. It is present up to a height of 5 kilometers from the earth's surface. Condensation is the process of converting water vapor into liquid and solid forms. Atmospheric water undergoes phase changes through the exchange or transfer of heat energy. The energy in the form of heat required to carry out all these conversions is called as the latent heat. Climatology hence deals with the elements of the hydrologic cycle, including the humidity capacity of the air, types of humidity and their measurements, evaporation and its rate, and evapotranspiration, condensation and forms of condensation, cooling of air and the adiabatic change of the temperature, stability and instability of the atmosphere. Let us see the importance of fogs and their origin and their types. Fogs are special types of clouds constituting minute water droplets existing in suspension in the air near the ground surface. Fogs generally reduce the horizontal visibility. Fog is formed when the moist air becomes saturated and reaches its dew point. Further cooling of this mass make the water vapor to condense around the dust particles and create the dense smoky fog. There are a dozen bases of classification available in climatology to study the types of fogs. The major types of fogs studied are radiation fog. These are the fogs produced over land when radiational cooling reduces the air temperature below its dew point. It is also known as ground fog or valley fog. The second one is the steam fog. It comes due to evaporation or mixing fog. The third one is the upslope fog. It is the fog formed as moist stable air flows upward over a topographic barrier. The next one is the tropical air mass fog, and the next one is the frontal fogs. Fogs are distributed in different parts of the world. Hence, climatology analyzes the effects of fogs and the natural or man induced dispersal of fogs. Let us see the next aspect of clouds, their origin and types. Clouds are the aggregates of innumerable tiny water droplets in the atmosphere above the ground surface. Clouds are formed due to the condensation of water vapor. Global patterns of precipitation depends on the clouds. Clouds play a significant role in controlling the heat budget of the earth's surface. Hence, the study of clouds involves the classification of clouds and the characteristic features of the clouds. The structure, altitude, occurrence and appearance of the following types of clouds are studied in climatology: cirrus clouds, cirrocumulus clouds, cirrostratus clouds, altostratus clouds, altocumulus clouds, nimbostratus clouds, stratus cumulus clouds, stratus clouds, cumulus clouds and cumulonimbus clouds. These are all the types of clouds which are studied under climatology. Cloud is an aggregation of moist droplets and ice crystals that are suspended in air and are great enough in volume and density to be visible. Condensation is the process of change of matter in the gaseous state to the liquid state or solid water state. Next comes the precipitation and its distribution. The term precipitation refers to the fall of atmospheric moisture either in the form of liquids or solids. Climatology includes the study of precipitation, its measurement over space and time. The forms of precipitation includes rain, drizzle, snow, ice pellets, hails and sleet. Among these, rain is the most widespread form of precipitation. There are three types of rainfalls as convectional rainfall, orographic rainfall and cyclonic or frontal rainfall. The global distribution of precipitation is very wide. The mean annual rainfall of the globe is 970 millimeters. The factors controlling precipitation distribution are the moisture content of the air, the convergent or divergent air circulation, the topographic conditions and the distance from the source of the moisture. In addition to this, climatology also includes the study of various rainfall regimes. They are the equatorial rainfall regime, tropical rainfall regime, monsoonal rainfall regime, continental rainfall regime, Mediterranean rainfall regime and the maritime rainfall regime.